Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it reviewing another Cash App scam. Today we've got the military involved. Cash App scam, the military reporting a rise in Cash App scams. Let's click on this and see what it's all about. So we've got a news channel here, 5 on your side, WARL, 92,000 subscribers.
So we want to warn them and really anyone else to be aware of these payment app scams.
So they're saying they have a lot of military in their area, and they want to warn them of these Cash App scams and payment app scams.
They say this is one of the
Payments Bureau wants to create more protection specifically for military.
They may not know anyone in their new area, and that makes them vulnerable to digital payment app scams. Scammers use any and all info they can.
The service number.
They're saying when they get scammed, it distracts them and they can't focus on their mission.
For authenticating users, better identifying trends or unusual transactions.
I gotta kind of disagree with this here. If you're using these apps, you're a user just like everyone else, and it's your responsibility to provide the correct information and identify yourself and not participate in things that just seem too good to be true.
55% increase in this type of scam.
55% increase?
If someone is trying to dip their hand into your pocket, and that you should do everything you can to protect that.
I mean, he says the right thing right there. Like, it's your money and you have to pay attention and be aware. You can't just blame other people and blame apps.
Veterans are also being targeted. We know that this is a group that's targeted because they have a pretty reliable stream of income.
I feel like they're making that up. Military and veterans being targeted. Like, Cash App scammers just kind of try and scam whoever comes to them, whatever comes through their ad or whatever. I don't think they're out like targeting a specific group. The news is such a weird place. Like, they're reporting about Cash App scams. They don't even have a single example in the news. They didn't even provide one example. It's like they just get on here and talk about anything that could like get people upset or try and get them upset. So be careful of the news. Don't always believe what you hear. If you're participating in payments apps, that's your responsibility to be aware and not do stupid things with your money. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.